In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a support workflow in Jira Service Management. If you're still relying on shared inboxes, spreadsheets, or scattered chat messages to handle support requests, things can get messy fast. Tickets get lost, ownership becomes unclear, and response times suffer. Jira Service Management gives you a much cleaner way to organize support, track SLAs, and route work efficiently. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access your Service Hub, customize the customer portal, create a support ticket, define key issue details, set urgency and impact, manage queues, use AI summaries, and finish with a quick performance check. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian cloud site or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're on the main dashboard, open your Jira Service Management Project or Help Desk workspace. This is your central area for handling support operations. Next, let's customize the customer-facing request portal. In the left-hand sidebar, click Project Settings, then open Portal Settings. Here, you can upload your company logo, adjust banner colors, and update the main welcome text so users immediately understand where to go for help. A clear, friendly portal makes the support experience much smoother for everyone. Once the portal is set up, create a sample support request. At the top of the screen, click Create. In the issue creation window, open the issue type dropdown and choose Support, IT help, incident, or whatever your team uses for service requests. This gives you the right intake structure for a help desk ticket. Now fill in the core ticket details. In the summary field, enter a short, specific title that clearly explains the issue. Then move to the description area and organize the information in 3 parts: user symptoms, impacted infrastructure, and steps to reproduce. This format helps support agents and engineers understand the problem quickly without digging through vague notes. After that, scroll to the urgency field and choose the appropriate level from low to critical. Then set the impact field, for example, to high if the issue affects important systems or multiple users. Jira combines these values to trigger timers, such as time to first response or time to resolution, which helps your team stay accountable. Now return to the left sidebar and open queues. This is where incoming tickets are organized into categories like all open, waiting on support, or unassigned breaching SLAs. When an agent starts working a ticket, update its status from open to in progress so the workflow and SLA behavior stay accurate. If you open an older ticket with a long comment history, go to the activity or comment section and click Summarize. Jira's built-in AI can generate a quick overview of what the customer needs, what has already been tried, and what still needs attention. Before you wrap up, do a final review of your project queue. Make sure ticket summaries display clearly, statuses are correct, SLA timers are updating